Traditional art and culture is the soul of India. eKalakar is a pioneering platform connecting traditional performing artists with patrons to enable them to achieve their business and social goals by harnessing the transformative power of traditional performing art. Art has power to bring entertainment, engagement, as well as enlightenment to the target stakeholders by communicating complex messages through simple and effective storytelling. Tata Power North Odisha Distribution Limited (TPNODL) has joined hands with eKalakar for spreading awareness about digital literacy and electrical safety among its rural consumers in northern Odisha through the magic of traditional art forms. eKalakar's intervention was designed to promote behavior change and encourage rural consumers to adopt safer electrical practices and pay their electricity bills online, using the enchanting charm of traditional art forms. eKalakar and its partners curated and customized a bespoke script and trained experienced local artists for a captivating dance drama titled Tata Aur Alok. Two groups of talented local artists organized performances in 50 villages across all 5 districts of TPNODL in northern Odisha, including Jajpur, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Bhadrak, and Balasore. eKalakar's performances reached almost 5,000 villagers in these regions over a period of 2 weeks. The performances communicated the importance of electrical safety and the benefits of digital payment, creating awareness in some of the most remote and challenging locations in Odisha. The post-performance quizzes proved to be highly engaging, with audiences expressing their eagerness not only to adopt digital payment methods but also to inspire their fellow villagers. Feedback from 273 individuals across 5 districts highlighted overwhelming satisfaction, with 82% rating the performances as excellent and 18% as good. 100% of respondents acknowledged an increase in awareness of benefits of online bill payments and 98.5% expressed willingness to adopt digital modes. Respondents pledged to encourage fellow villagers to adopt digital payments, igniting a ripple effect of awareness. eKalakar is grateful to TPNODL CSR Group, its partners as well as our artist partner team, and all artists for organizing such impactful performances for community engagement. eKalakar remains committed to harnessing the power of India's traditional performing arts for business and social transformation.